Hi and welcome back to our channel. My name is Lindsay with Laser Cut Quilts, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this Hummingbird kit in our Dawn colorway. So let's get started. So we have our pieces laid out here for the Hummingbird, and each of them are backed with FlexiFuse, this lightweight fusible web. And we're going to go ahead and just snip them all out of these squares. So after you've cut out all of your pieces, we're going to move on to the next stage, where we're going to peel off the FlexiFuse from the back of these pieces. And we're going to lay them down on top of our background fabric. So we've gone ahead and moved our pieces to this light box, and we have our iron heating up on a cotton setting. And we're going to use this Teflon sheet because there are different layers to this Hummingbird. So we're first going to do it in this unit of the body. So we're just going to peel the pieces, the FlexiFuse off the back of the pieces. And we're just going to lay them all down. So we're now going to take our iron on a cotton setting, no steam, and we're going to press and hold it on top of this body here, and we're going to fuse that, and then we will take the FlexiFuse off the back of these other pieces and lay them out and do the same. So we've attached our other layout guide of these flowers, and now we're going to do the flowers since we finished the Hummingbird there. And the easiest way, I think, is to start with this inside part first. So we'll iron those ones down, and then we'll put it on top of this lighter pink one. You can do it however you want to, but honestly, whatever is easiest for you, I would pick. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to peel the pieces off the back again, do this inside first, and then iron it to the outside and the green stem. And we'll repeat it for the rest of these flowers. And I'm just going to iron it down just a little bit so it stays, doesn't move. Alright, so we now have ironed down all of these units. So we're going to go ahead and take everything off of this light box, put our layout guide underneath the fabric, the background fabric, and then we're going to iron each of these units using this layout guide down to our background fabric. So here we have our background fabric, and underneath is our layout guide. And I've gone ahead and taped the layout guide to this table so it doesn't move. But then you're going to go ahead and pin all 4 corners. You're going to pin your background fabric to the layout guide so that way your fabric doesn't move from your layout guide. We're going to go ahead and grab our pieces here. And you're going to make sure that you've centered this background fabric on your layout guide. So you fold it in half one way, fold it in half the other way, stick it in one of these quadrants, these top quadrants here, depending on how you folded it, and you're gonna unfold it so it's centered. Hopefully that made sense. So then we're gonna take this hummingbird and just line it up with the layout guide. It might not be perfect, but just the best that you can get it. All right, then we're gonna take our iron, cotton setting, no steam once again. We're just gonna press and hold for 5 to 8 seconds. And we're going to do this for the whole hummingbird, and then we'll do it for these flower pieces as well. Okay, and as you can see, we're now finished. You can see these flowers over here. Everything's all ironed down. And to finish it off, you can just finish each of these applique pieces with your favorite stitch, a button stitch, zigzag stitch, whatever you like the best. And now you have this cute hummingbird with these adorable flowers.